Hello, reunited in Paris, our third trip together. Can you believe?
So we are in Normandy right now.
Yes, beautiful, so photographable, everything is so picture perfect.
It's beautiful. I'm just like taking everything in. This is our first day. Ron's literally straight off the flight.
Yes.
And I took like a nice nap.
Jet lag's gonna kill you.
It is. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep. Tomorrow we've got a really long day, but yeah, we're here. I'm so
Stan, say hello, Stan.
Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue en France.
I have no idea what he just said. We've got Sophie and
Melisande.
Melisande.
Oh, that's a Melly. Melly's fine. Melly, Sophie, say hi. Say hi.
Hello. Hello. Hi guys. So Melly and Stan are taking us around. They're from Paris. They're getting married. Yeah. Look how cute everything is.
Yes, because everyone told me that's amazing apparently. Like my friend said, like Ron, you have to bring the instant onion soup if you can. Okay. So. Snail, yes.
Yeah, I would love to try snail.
That would be amazing, yeah.
Are we gonna get some drinks?
Mm-hmm.
What was it? Yeah, that was the
It's
drink.
like the local drink from Marseille.
Tell me about it. What is it?
Pastis is made from anise.
Yes.
What is anise in English?
Star anise.
Star anise. That's what it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very sweet and very refreshing. So
Very
you
refreshing.
put this amount of pastis and that amount of
Water,
very
yes.
cold water.
Is it like absinthe?
No, but you have 4 of those and you're good to go.
I think one of those and I'll be done today.
Because of me, yeah. The driver is laughing. You saw my face.
How-
Man, that is fucking scary. It's like Hong Kong. How do you say love it?
Huh?
When you say in English, love it. How do you say it in French? No, oh my god, oh my god, love it. How do you say it in French?
J'adore.
Sama?
J'adore.
J'adore.
You don't know the Dior advertisement?
We're trying to find a cute place to go sit in. We've been walking through all these lanes and they're so cute. It's a bit hot, but I think we're gonna sit outside because everything.
Yes, of course. Amelie was shot here, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I love that movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is so big. That's a lot of salad. I wanted a small meal, but I finally tried
Sophie's on Instagram, yeah.
pastis,
It's Lo Sophie. Lo Sophie.
and it's so good.
The actor of Parisian. I remember when this and ham, cheese, and cigar.
And pastis. Just got done with this, and we're like already a little buzzed. It's a bit strong, huh?
It's so good. It's divine.
What is that?
It's called the Saint Chapel, and if you have time to visit it, I recommend it. It's amazing. The how do we call that? The glass stained windows inside.
Oh yeah, I think I've heard of
The most beautiful. It's blue.
Yeah. We are on our way to just get like a glimpse of Notre Dame. I said it that way. How do you say it?
Notre Dame.
Dame. Okay. So
I'm just gonna have to see the ruins of it because you know it got burned down.
So I don't think so you can like enter it, but
Yeah, you
we're gonna like see it.
Yeah, they're restoring it. I know who's restoring it. Chinese people. They won the competition.
Oh, they did?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
There was a competition like they
Maybe like
submitted
a
their
bid.
designs and then China won.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
you guys are taking over now.
But it's gonna take a while though.
Of course it is. Yeah.
Like it'll take
4 years.
4 years to like rebuild it again. Because I was thinking we should Uber somewhere, but it's such a walkable city.
Even though Ron's complaining about his knees every 2
Yeah, but
seconds.
still I'm okay
He's
with
like,
walking.
I'm gonna do it for Paris. But yeah, it's such a beautiful city. Everything is so picturesque, and The weather is so pleasant. Let me give you let me turn it around for you guys. So we made it. We can't really go in, but that's it.
On va là. We go there after. No, c'est this way. Yes.
Have you read this conspiracy how like these plane trails, they say they're actually chemtrails? No. So actually they say that they are like throwing chemicals and like playing with people's minds and like manipulating us. And, you know,
Only Ron would believe it. Only Ron would believe stuff like that. How stunning.
Lots of things like everywhere. They're really into that. Of course, it's the city of love.
You and I should put a lock.
So you see this? They actually put some white balls on the.
Oh, so that they can't put the lock,
Yeah,
right?
they put it in between. It's full of locks in between.
You know, love thrives. That's how it thrives. Literally the most gorgeous place.
Yeah, exactly.
On a cruise.
Exactement, tout se passe bien à la découverte des principaux monuments de notre capitale. Au fil de la scène, laissez-moi tout d'abord vous présenter l'équipage de notre navire. Le roi Philippe Auguste au XIIe siècle en tant que petite forteresse, donc comme vous pouvez voir à la droite. En fait bâtie avec les pierres de l'ancienne prison de la Bastille, elle-même détruite durant la Révolution de 1789.
You're not on my vlog. So we are at this really cute restaurant just here to grab some dinner, and it's like the cutest place with like candles.
What do you feel like eating? Do you want to have tartar?
I could have tartar. I'd have everything. Something filling though. Sauté. First dinner. So that's the end of day one. It's like 11:30. What time is it? 12? My phone died.
11:40.
It's almost 12. Today was eventful. We are so sleepy, and we have a very long day tomorrow. We start the day early as well. So
7 a.m. wake up call.
we are going to Normandy. But today was so good, and we're walking through this really cute street. How do you pronounce it again?
Montaugre.
Montaugre.
Montaugre, right, Stan?
Yeah. So we're just walking through this cute little street. For me, every street is like super cute in here. But yeah, so far so good. Hey guys, so it's day 2. We are at a metro station and we are waiting for our train to go meet our friends, because today is super exciting. We are going on a road trip. We are going to Normandy today, and I think we're visiting three towns in there. We also have a beach sort of location that we're going. So we're gonna have like a beach day as well. So it's gonna be super fun. Just waiting for our train. We're already a little late. We were supposed to meet our friends at 8 in the morning and it's like 8:45. But it's okay. We were trying to figure out our way and Ron was catching up on sleep. Are you well rested? Ron?
Yes.
Are you well rested?
Yeah, I am. I'm good now.
So we had this really nice breakfast and now we're on our way.
Oh, the weather is so charming. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh my god, look at that.
We made it. We're in lovely Tubal.
Oh my god, this is so amazing!
Imagine having a house over here.
And there is a house here. They made
Oh, you can even rent houses here.
Prussian style. It's like, it looks like a mosque a little bit. Each house has a story, like it was an old house from a famous writer or a politician.
Such a perfect way to spend a Sunday. I wish we had one of those balconies and this view. And I forgot my sunglasses. Like a champ. But this is so stunning. I would highly recommend that you guys, like, if you're ever coming down to Paris, just like driving down. It's like 2 hours drive from Paris to Tubal. It's a lovely drive as well. We had so much fun. We were listening to like Bollywood music on the way. Look how beautiful this house is. It's Persian inspired and with the picket fences. So we just got done with the beach. We are at a church right now and it has a very lovely view of the ocean again. It's such a beautiful day today. I'm having such a nice time. Oh, is this a river?
That's the end of the river. It's like the Seine River, the one which flows through Paris, and it goes to the sea.
To the sea here? It meets... Oh, nice.
And on the right side, it's the largest bridge of France.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Called the Bridge of Normandy.
So we're in this really beautiful little town, little city called
Honfleur. Or should I say Ronfleur?
We are on our way to grab some lunch and maybe some cider because we are all parched and I would love some cider. On our way here we saw a lot of apple orchards, some beautiful ranches, and oh my god, every corner in here is so beautiful. I'm gonna cry.
This is tourist shop for local food. Cider.
Yeah, I can see one. Yeah. You are right, yes.
Oh, it's just the fin,
So
right?
the wing, yeah, the fin. Yeah.
Ah, it's a ray fish.
Had like half of it.
Okay, how is it?
So
So we're going up there. I hope we have the energy to do that. We were over there. We just climbed up. Look how beautiful it is. I still want to go up there, I guess.
I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you mine. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a gold frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. I could sit and listen to you talk.
We're on the other side of that cliff I was on.
Clock. I'd love to hear each thought upon your mind. I'd love to hang on close to every word that I could find. 'Cause all the shades of blue
I have no idea how she's standing.
go away when I'm with you.
We just got down and suddenly it's so cold.
The contrast, you see.
Yeah, on one side it's like nice and blue and sunny.
It's like so cold.
Imagine if we were there. We just got down. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Always has this kind of, you know, moods.
What is happening? Suddenly it's become so morbid. Is it like a storm coming?
Put a gold frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. You like to run free, but I'll still make my plans. I'll change.